Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a Marathi film Kesari. There was a time when wrestling was the most respected and popular sport in Maharashtra. But with the time, sport has fallen on some poor times and lost its glory. But there are few who continue to persist with a passion for the sport. And director Sujay Dahake's Kesari tells the story of one such a man who determines to win the title of Maharashtra Kesari while overcoming all the odds. By the way, Maharashtra Kesari is an Indian style wrestling championship established in 1961 in Maharashtra. Kesari means lion in Sanskrit. So, Kesari is a Marathi sports drama film about a budding wrestler Balram from a small village in Kolhapur district who aspires to win the title of Maharashtra Kesari. But his father is opposed to the idea, but his grandfather, who himself was a wrestler, supports him silently. Fed up with the discouragement and opposition, Balaram leaves his home, vowing to return only after winning the title. He goes to Kolhapur to train at a well known akhada, but lack of money forces him to look for other options. That's when he meets one time wrestler turned mechanic Ustad Mehman. Mehman agreed to train him and provides him necessary guidance, and then he enters the Maharashtra Kesari. To know what happens next, you have to watch the film. So, what works in the film? Cinematography and location. The locations and cinematography is on top level. I think you haven't seen in Marathi films earlier. The film is visually spectacular. Just 5 minutes in the film, and you know you are in for a rare visual treatment that is so eye catching and builds emotion with the story. The beauty of Kolhapur, shot with wider angles, make you fall in love with the Kolhapur. The scenes where protagonist prepares himself for the kusti are shot with such a tenderness that shows how the beauty of human body should be captured on the celluloid. Dialogues and character establishment. Every character in the film has been established very well. Most of the characters don't have more screen space or have very few dialogues, but we as an audience get attached to the characters. Also, there is no unnecessary subplots in the film, which makes it easy to connect with the story. The dialogues are more effective because they are not thrown at us all the time. They came at specific dramatic situations which takes the film forward. In one scene of the film, at the Kusti Akhada in Kolhapur, where the trainer played by Jayavant Wadkar shows him the reality that Kusti today is not sports for the poor, it's for the privileged ones. And most of the films made on Kusti misses this reflection of reality. Star cast and performances. The film wins here in the casting department. The movie has a bunch of talented actors like Vikram Gokhale, Mahesh Manjrekar, Mohan Joshi, Praveen Tarde, Jayavant Padkar, Chaya Kadam, Umesh Jagtap, with debutant Virat Madke and Rupa Borgavkar, and host of supporting actors like Nachiket Purnapatre, Padmanabh, and Satyappa More, who is look-alike of Parth Bhalerao. Debutant Madke excels as Balram. His looks, his physique, his body language, his eyes makes us believe that he is a wrestler. His eyes in anger movements and his eyes in love scenes shows his excellence as an actor. He is a perfect fit for the angry young man character. Also, debutant Rupa Borgavkar, with very few dialogues and less screen time, proves her acting skill. Veteran actor Mahesh Manjrekar as a Ustad Mehman tried something new and stands out in the film. Vikram Gokhale as Balram's supportive grandfather with just 2 or 3 scenes proves why he is a Ustad in acting. What fails? The relationship between Balram and his mentor Ustad as an eccentric teacher and eager but confused pupil is not new. We have seen such bonding so many times in most of the sports films. It doesn't fail 100%, but it works in parts. So, guys, this is a must watch film if you love sports drama. The film will definitely inspire you to work hard towards your goal. Thank you.